Yo, yo, yo. Hello, hello. Testing. Hello, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Testing, testing. Okay. We're back. We're back. Basically, hmm, looking to take a trade, possibly. One second. Okay. Break. Seems like this might be the high, possibly. I mean, we do have this little area. I'll just scoop this too, just for the sake of it. Hourly candle, like this, because we're so close to the high. You see, this is the high. If we break, you see how we never went down. We're so close. This actually might be the local high, I would say. Possibly like an entrance like this. 20. Or do 21. Open 754. We gotta open it. We got a trade open right now. This is the trade. We did 21. Stop loss 964. 964. It seems like, well, here's the thing. We have to break this. Only reason I'm taking this trade is because I think I don't think they're just gonna push. Look at this aggressive push. I mean, they might. I could be wrong. They might support here and then push higher, right? That's possible. But I'm just saying, look at this aggressive push they actually did, right? I think they might just go all the way down. Such an aggressive push. It's either they go all the way down or they actually come here and then does something like this. That's what I'm seeing. Because we're so close to breaking this high. This breaking this will validate this is the whole reversal that we've been either waiting or not. That's gonna validate that. But as of this moment, we haven't broken yet. This could be like trap people to think we're actually reversing, right? And not touch this and then continue like lower and break the lows. Possible. So this would be like a 2R, okay? Well, we gotta break this. That's the thing. Only way this could still play out if we break aggressively and then close and don't go higher. And then JPY, JPY is kind of all over the place. We'll see what JPY does because we have this 1 hour liquidity zone, supply zone. I mean, and this one didn't really go into it, so now this one probably might go in and then either reject or actually continue higher, right? We'll see what happens. Euro, you see how Euro like went low, but still it can't really go higher, right? It's just like rejecting here, like rejecting here. So far, just a heads up, so far. But we did support here, but it's just a weak support, I would say, right? I would want to see something like, like this before it goes higher. GBP, British pound. We'll see what happens. I mean, if we had something like this, that would be crazy, but you know, probably not. Once again, we have to break this, or else this would be a support. It's either we break this aggressively, right, and then reject on the 1 minute chart, or this is actually a support and it'll go higher. Because we're so close to the reversal, like break of structure here, that I don't know. I mean, they might send it up here, but they could also send it down here to trap people and then send it up. Plus, we have 1 hour before the 4 hour closes. That's another thing you got to watch out. You see the 4 hour candle right now? If the 4 hour candle closes like in here, and this would be a wick, then there's a really high chance price might actually go all the way here. It just depends on how the 4 hour closes. So 1 hour, I think is if this was like if the 4 hours was closing right now, I don't think I would be entering here because next one could go up here. But there's a possibility 4 hour could close right here. Just gotta wait and see. Then on the 4 hour time frame, you see how there's like demand support resistance area right here because price didn't really know where to go and then it broke. This could be the same thing, and you might say, oh, but it like aggressively broke up. Yeah, that's true, it did. But this one could reject and close in the area, and then the next one could continue lower. That's the possibility we're looking for. Or it could just move up and break highs, and then the whole thing reverses. I mean, you don't really want to go against the trend, right? 100%. I mean, this is literally going against the damn trend. Price is just moving up, it's making higher highs, higher lows. Like, there's no point of shorting, right? But I think this might be a good short if it breaks. So yeah, if the next candle actually breaks through and close below, then should possibly continue up and maybe go down, or either just continue lower. We'll see. Or I'm just wrong in all the ways. See how Euro is different than GBP. Euro seems like it just want to make another high, possibly. Here we got no price doing ain't nothing. We got a new hourly like in 6 minutes ago. Okay, one sec. Okay, so let's see the volume on the market. Well, here's the thing. I mean, we still volume is not 12 o'clock yet here. We still have like one more hour, one more good hour, I would say. But uh, tomorrow is gonna be Thanksgiving, so that kind of you know it's gonna slow the market a lot, especially uh, New York time, I would say. See, another thing, this candle closes in here. This basically becomes a support. As long as, well, yeah, as long as this candle closes below this blue one bottom, that's the only, or equal out somewhat. And yeah, here, let me just get rid of volume. Here's the thing, we have like liquidity right here. Do we? Yeah. uh, This was, but we're just keeping these. If price does actually want to go down, it will fucking go down. These won't help. And just a heads up, uh, this is not the full. This is not what we're targeting right now. We just want to see what price does here first, because there's still a possibility to go up from here, break this, and then go up. Because we also we also have like this zone, the order block, but also like you see how price just didn't really go anywhere here. We also have this as a support. Probably not that strong, but still gotta watch out. It will depend on how aggressively price move. Let's go in euro. Well, euro is chilling. JPY. Here's the thing, you know how JPY and like euro and British pound goes against JPY most of the times. Like they always go the opposite. So we would want to see if JPY does go up and somehow it's in this range and it's like rejecting here, and British pound is like right here, like supporting, then we could probably close the trade, and because it will probably continue higher. But right now, I mean, right now we'll see if it goes higher. Hopefully it doesn't. I kind of hate these gaps. And the reason why is kind of ruins some stuff, because if this gap didn't happen, wouldn't this would be right here, somewhat like that? And then basically that would be like, stop and then go up, right? I don't know, but these gaps kind of ruin everything, because like they did close the whole gap, right? But I actually thought they're gonna go lower. They did not. Yeah, 1 minute. I mean, 1 minute doesn't really look much. And again, if they do actually break this high, then another reminder why not to go against the trend, because the trend is your friend, and if you go against it, then yeah. But I think they should go low because they pushed aggressively. I mean, it doesn't seem aggressively, right? But when you measure, let me measure it for you guys. When you measure, like from even here, like this is like 100 pips. You see, such an aggressive push, and this is just today. Remember yesterday's stream? Price was like right here. Unfortunately, I didn't take that long, and I shorted from here, and yeah, didn't really expect price to go higher. I mean, until I saw this, it's like but this would have been a crazy long if I kept it, going. But look, it's 163 pips from yesterday's stream. So in less than 24 hours, this price really went a lot. We would kind of want to see somewhat of a correction right here, and you see we have these little corrections, right? Like, but these are just like regular uptrend correction. We want to see something that breaks of structure in a lower time frame and then reverses up, right? That's what we want to see. So that's how few people get stopped out. See, price goes down, breaks, and then aggressively moves up, and that's what you call. We didn't have that at all. I mean, price just move up, move up, move up, move up. Didn't really break any structures here on the lower time frame at all. So more or less, we could actually be looking for something like this. This would be a good trade. Target this liquidity. Plus, this would be like well, like I told you, uh, if price does come down and then aggressively push up, right? Then this would kind of sort of it depends on what price does here before and doesn't go down, like break up, and then this would just say like they went for the stop hunts before going lower. But I mean I do kind of think we're not gonna go here. I might be wrong. I mean, the only way we'll go here if we have some crazy news, and I don't think. Let me see. And I really don't think we're gonna have any news this week at all. Let me see. I mean, tomorrow we have Euro news. This is not Euro. Yeah, I mean, we just don't have any news at all this week because it's like a holiday week. So I don't think price will go all the way here. Just a heads up, unless there's a nuclear war. I don't know, but I don't think it's gonna go here. But I feel like it should come here, and then you see, it does something like this. We've seen a lot of these. Like price actually goes down, break. People think, oh my God, we got a short. People are shorting, and price just aggressively reverse. Something like that. But I don't. We'll see if that happens because right now price is going up. Seems like they don't really want to do that at all. Gotta wait and see what is Euro doing. Yeah, Euro is going high. Hmm. Well, this has to be a crazy work then. If it does close anywhere above here, it's not good for us. Let's see what price does. Seems like they really want to break this high, and it will. It's just when either today breaks the high, or it actually goes down here, and then the next day, the next trading day, it'll break the high. But it will break the high for sure. See, we kind of want, yeah, I mean, we kind of want this 4 hour candle to close as low as possible, just so the next one could actually wick here, do the stop and then continue higher. But want is different than what's gonna happen. Look at the daily. I mean, wow, daily just like destroyed everything. Crazy. hmm Okay, so it doesn't really look great so far, but yeah, yeah, we don't really want to see this candle going above this. Just not good. hmm How's your doing? Of course. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a great trade at all. I mean, it's already not the best 2R. I don't think it's gonna be great. And then JPY, what is it doing? Going down. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, hmm. Yeah. The high is so close. I mean, they probably just want to run it right now. They probably just want to run the high and then it's not even sure. Yeah. You see, this is the thing, guys. This could still reverse. I don't know, but it's not. Doesn't look good at all. I'm gonna be honest. But here's the thing. Always go with the trend. The trend never fails you. Just always goes with the trend. When price goes up, when you're in an uptrend, price goes up. I mean, just follow the trend. Because if you started buying with this trend, right, and you were putting your stop loss at previous low, like for example, you bought somewhere here and your stop loss here, you're good. Bought somewhere here, your stop loss here, I'm good. Same shit, good, good. You see how like it just never breaks, and then you could keep moving that stop loss for us support. Yeah, this doesn't look good at all. I mean, wow, this is like, this is like, Jesus Christ. Got back to streaming and then 2 streams in a row, fucking loss. Not a great way to start, but you can never be right in trading all the time. I mean, I won't be surprised if they do some shit like this and then go lower. Here's the thing: if this trade does play in our favor, it's not even a great trade at all. Because look how far in drawdown we are. You know, it's like why stress this much for this? That's if it goes our way. But it doesn't really look that great. Look at the higher time frame. I mean, we have the high right here, so close. There's a high chance they might actually tap that because if you do this here, I mean, 4 hours they already tapped it. I feel like this would be better. 1 hour. You see how if you draw like uh I call it liquidity sometimes. I call it mm, demand zone. But if you draw this, then they didn't really tap it. Yeah, right. There's a possibility they could just tap it here and then go down. Possible. Yeah. I mean, we'll see. I mean, hopefully they don't really tap it. There's another chance that it could be like a false, like so close, right? Tapping it, and they'll just continue down, do this, and then come here and then like support and then continue higher. We'll see. I mean, I'll take it out. I mean, if they do tap it, they're gonna tap our stop loss. So just our stop loss is that tap. So we'll see. Hmm. Maybe I gotta start streaming a little bit earlier. I mean, I trade earlier, way earlier. I just don't stream because I don't know. But I feel like I should because look at this. This is what happened earlier. All this right here. Right now, we're in like the end of the session, so everything is so slow. So it's either we slowly go into profit or we slowly go into our stop loss, and it's like we're just wasting time. You know, like if I know I'm gonna lose, why the fuck am I still here and wait watching this?